Girl, look at this lighting right here. Look at, and there are no lights on. I'm gonna say a whole horse is running in the backyard. Okay, somebody's big dog. There's no light. These windows are all closed. Let me show you. Closed. These ones open. Oh, look at the lighting. And it's coming from this big window here, and it's overcast outside. Like, it's literally good morning, I'm sorry, or evening, afternoon, whenever you're watching this video, I'm sorry. Just come on here and start talking. Literally, as soon as you pick up the phone, I go in. That's crazy. The amount of light that I get. Okay, so, y'all, let me turn you around this way and sit down and chat with you. Even though, Remy, why are you looking at me? What's wrong? Huh? Is that my stomach? Oh. Let's go see what Remy wants, y'all. He always on some BS. Okay, so, let me tell y'all. I really have nothing to tell you, but let me tell you this, okay? This room, right, is literally giving me, what is the word I'm looking for? What is the word? Remy, what do you want? Look at him. He ain't got nobody to mess with but me, okay? Just me. I didn't call you to supervise anything, sir. Don't wink. Don't wink at me. I'm trying to talk to my YouTube family, and if I start telling you a story, you'll get up and leave. Let me show y'all. So let me tell you, Remy. So yesterday I went to Walmart, right? And I was getting out of the car, and hey, Remy, listen. So I went to Walmart yesterday, and I was getting out the car, right? And this guy came up to the car and was like, hey, ma'am. Hey, Remy, listen. Remy, listen to the story. You know what? Remy, you don't care. You came in here, but so what do you want? Like what? What? So listen, yeah. Why is he checking everything out? Why, Remy? Why? Is it? Oh no! Oh hey, sir! Excuse me, hey, sir. Can I talk to you about your car's extended warranty? Hey, sir, excuse me. Since you're here, can I talk to you about your car's extended warranty? What do you need in here? What do you want? What do you want? Like, what do you need? Well, I'm confused. I'm confused. What do you need? Hey, don't try to push me. Move. Don't put that slop on me. Ugh. Look at you. Look what you did. Get a rag and clean my table off. Remy. See, Remy has nobody to aggravate except for me right now. I'm the only one available. But if I talk to you about your car's extended warranty, Remy, come here. Let me say, hey, excuse me, sir. Come, let's talk about your car's extended warranty. So anyway, yesterday I went to Walmart, right? And the man came up to the car. The barking is about to start because the deliveries are about to happen. Okay, y'all, let me finish what I was saying. Anywho, so is this a good angle or no? Or look at this TV back here. Look at the whole TV. I don't know why this light up here is orange right now. I told Ron, I said, this thing comes on by itself with the orange color. And we're going to have it on. We're going to have it on like that. Oh, it's such a vibe. Overcast today. Y'all, what up? Oh, jeez. How about that? Okay, that's better. Hey, family. Welcome back to another video. I'm so happy to have you here. It's so good to be here with you. I almost went live this morning, but I said, you know what? Nope. I did an impromptu live yesterday, so I'm not going to do 2 in a row. But here I am with a video on the day of, because it's really not a planned video. However, work today is going to consist of admin stuff, plus me getting my, drum roll please, my fall series lineup ready for you. Now let me tell you what that's going to consist of. The fall stuff, right? I'm going to just make it super cutesy, very entertaining, and just, it's really more or less to just lighten the mood of the world, right? The videos are to lighten the mood of the world. I know a lot of you absolutely love the fall time. I do now as well. Like, I have come to love days that look like this, where it's really overcast and cloudy and super cozy, and it's like soups and warm and snuggly, fuzzy stuff, you know. I've come to love all of that as well. So, I am Pinterest stalking for ideas. I'm YouTube trending stalking too for ideas, because that's how you have to do here on this platform. And I'm trying to compile a series of videos with actual scheduled dates to drop for your pleasurable enjoyment and entertainment for the fall, holiday, you know, whatever. Which is typically most people's most horrible time of the year. First of all, even without it being a pandemic or a rampant running virus of some sort wanting to kill everybody. It's always just been that time of the year where people just are like, I'm not for it. And this is probably one of the worst, even more worser times of the year, because people have lost loved ones and jobs, and the world is crazy right now. So it's just for your entertainment, right? So I'm just compiling a list of what I think would be fun, cute, you know, fall videos for you guys. Shipping update. It's been updated. The following items. Okay, so all those have shipped. I need to go to the penthouse. Package will arrive on Wednesday, okay. Okay, Wednesday. This week. Tomorrow, it'll arrive tomorrow. Okay. I need to go to the penthouse. Maybe I should do a 2-for-1 and just wait and go tomorrow. Okay. So anyway, that's what I'm going to be working on today. So this video is probably going to be short, because I really don't. Let me show you the rug that I got for the foyer area. Hold up. Iced coffee. Don't even have to really mix cream in it, but I do anyway. And caramel. What is he back there doing? Come on, let me show you. But first, let me give you a tour. Give you a brief tour. I gotta sneeze. of the room with the look. Okay, so yeah, I need to tell y'all this anyway. Ooh. So you know I was gonna put a regular size couch right here, right? And I thought about it and I said, nope, Sharon, don't do it. Don't do it. Because I like this open walkway area and I like all this floor space. Don't pay that chair any attention at all. That's where Ron likes to sit and talk to me here. Like he's in the principal's office. But I don't want to go any bigger than this, to be honest with you. Because like I said, this open area here, the open area over there, is still a lot of space. So it just looks so cozy. I can get all my work done, come over here and chill, turn around and watch this TV, which this is the TV from the penthouse. And I can watch TV right while I work, you know. Yeah. So it's been really cool. But let me show you the rug, the new rug. Come out here. We'll go this way. Let's go this way. That tape did not work for this floor, so I don't know what the heck we're gonna do. Look at how cute that is. So cute. And this thing is turning. All the potted plants you guys watch him do. This sucker is getting all the way out of control. Look at the branches coming this way now. And this one is starting to pull toward that window because this side gets the most sun in the evenings. This is where the sun sets at. So I noticed that it's pulling more toward that window. But look at the rug. So cute. Doesn't compete with that one. And this is I think a 5 by 7 inch. 5 by 7 inch rug. And it's not centered there because of this, right? So I had to off center it. And I don't know why it's so far over there. I think it's because he's bringing stuff in. But anyway, yeah, that's that. And look there. See? If I don't stay on it, it just won't get done. Okay. Yeah, so just get ready, get prepared for some fall inspired, warm and cozy, cute little videos. And I'm gonna do my due diligence to make sure that I bring you a lot of fall videos. Plus, I can show you maybe some behind the scenes of the preparation for Thanksgiving, which is coming, right? We're trying to do like one day out, like an agenda for one day that everybody gets out of the house and go and do something. Still don't quite know what I want that to be just yet because of everything that's going on. I don't know if we'll be back in lockdown by then. Like, I just don't know. Like, we just don't know because we're back having to mandate it back wearing a mask here, which we weren't for a while. Now it's back in full effect again. So I kind of feel like we're going to end up how we were round one. Like, I really feel like that's where it's heading back to. I hope not, but if it is, you know, you want to just make sure your spot, wherever you're at, is nice and cozy and you're prepared to go back into quarantine and away from everybody and just that whole, you know. At least for me. It'll make life so much easier if I'm quarantined happily, you know? So anyway, I can bring you probably behind the scenes of that. I'll just vlog wherever that takes us. Like I said, I don't know. Hopefully it'll stay where it is, you know? But yeah, we'll plan for Thanksgiving, Christmas, right? Christmas, I can foresee a Christmas tree right here, right there. I foresee one. I foresee it can definitely do about 3 trees. Overkill, yeah, probably so. Like, who cares, really? But it'll be fun to watch, for you maybe, to watch the holiday festivities. Let me know how you feel about that. Unfold just for the heck of it, just because, right? Because what else we gonna do? We can't stop living. You have to just keep living your best life. Keep living through the bad, the whatever. You just have to keep going at the end of the day. Because what else you gonna do? Lay down and die? No, ain't nobody doing that. No, we're not doing that, okay? So I know this was a babbling on nothing video, which most of them always are. That's what this channel is all about, not a whole lot. So anyway, let me finish getting my agenda together because I'm serious about the fall series. I'm just gonna surprise you. I'm gonna surprise you and just bring you so many fun and exciting fall cutesy videos that you can enjoy, and maybe even incorporate and just find a little light in them for yourself, just to take your mind off the way of the world. Okay. So let me get to that. I do need to go to the penthouse. It's still early, so I'm gonna catch you in the next video. I love you. To the moon and back. Stay positive. Don't let nobody dictate your mood. You heard that in a minute. But just don't. Because why not? What they gonna do? What they gonna do? Nothing. Okay? See you in the next video. Bye.